Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. After a year, I'm making another video because it's iPhone season, and this year it's the era for the iPhone 17 Pros. So obviously, I've always been an iPhone Pro guy, so I obviously would still continue to get the 17 Pro Max. Currently, I do have the 16 Pro Max in gold titanium, and before that, I got the 15 Pro Max in gray titanium. But now I'm excited because since it's iPhone season, I'm going to unbox traditionally every year. I do this, and I'm going to unbox my new iPhone 17 Pro Max in what they call cosmic orange. Yeah. This year I didn't have. Let's just give me. I'll just give you a little bit of story about my choice. I've always been a gold iPhone guy. If there's no gold, I'll get the new color. Like what happens with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, there wasn't when this came out. There's no gold, so I think, yeah. So I got this gray titanium, and then but when the 16 Pro Max came up with the gold titanium, then I got gold again. I have the iPhone XS Max in gold, the iPhone 11 Pro Max in gold, the iPhone 13 Pro Max in gold. Yeah, most of my iPhones are in gold. Unfortunately, I don't have them anymore. Those iPhones, because I've sent them to my sister, and because it wouldn't make sense if I would just keep them and nobody would use it. Um, so now they only came up with the iPhone Pro Maxes in cosmic orange, in white, silver white, and deep blue. I didn't like the deep blue because for me I've never been that guy to choose the deep blue, because for me it kind of looks black, and I don't like that. The silver reminds me of the old iMacs. You know that. I also didn't like that. If there's a gold one, then I'll get the gold. But unfortunately, there's an orange. I said unfortunately because I'm a bit 50-50 on this color. I'm not sure if I like it. I've seen videos before me, as I've said. I didn't say that. This came in late. It was supposed to come morning of September 19. I was able to pre-order September 12. I was early and I was able to secure my order immediately, but unfortunately today, September 19, it came late. It came at around 6 to 6:30, delivered by the USPS. So I was able to find time to watch YouTube videos of others unboxing theirs already. So I got envious. But anyways, fast forward, I'm already unboxing it right now. So going back to the color, I'm sorry if I'm rambling too much, but going back to the color, for me, I don't even have any choice. Although I like the color orange. I have an Apple Watch band that's in orange. I also bought a case that's similar to orange, but this is called Nectarine for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. But I'm gravitating towards the orange, but I wasn't so sure if I would like the whole phone itself to be orange. You know what I mean? Um, I'll rock I'll rock watch bands, cases in orange, because it kind of reminds me of Hermes orange and Louis Vuitton orange. So I do like the orange, but I'm not sure if I would like my iPhone to fully have orange in it. You know what I mean? And I can change it. Anyways, so without further ado, let's do the unboxing. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max in cosmic orange. Oh wow, look at that. In videos that I've seen in the from iJustine and everything, and every vlogging, oh wow, they said that it's kind of in your face, you know what I mean? Orange in your face, but I don't know if the camera is giving this justice, but in person it really looks like in your face, you know what I mean? So yeah, so here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this and then just do the top one. There you go. Oh my gosh, it is super orange. My goodness, it looks shiny orange. Honestly, it looks like it looks like that it already has a case on it. Are you getting me? I mean, it looks like a case. It's quite bulky. It's let me get it off. Okay, put that away and see this. Oh my gosh, look at that. The orange. Let me give you a close-up of the sides. I'm not ready yet to remove the cover because I want to immediately put a screen protector on it. I didn't buy a new screen protector because they said that this iPhone 17 Pro Max and the iPhone 16 Pro Max has the exact same size of screen. So I still have an extra screen protector that I bought last year from Spigen. It came in a two screen protector in one pack. So it saved me a screen protector now this year, but I'm not sure if it will fit. If it doesn't fit and if it doesn't look good on it, then I'll probably buy a 17 Pro Max screen protector. But if it's okay, then it's okay. Okay, so let me stop the video and I'll just show you how I put the screen protector on. Let me get my screen protector. Yeah, look, I have the, see, I put iPhone 16 Pro Max. It comes in two pack. So I've already used the first one on my old 16 Pro Max, and now I'm gonna use this one for this. Hopefully, okay guys, let me see if I remember this. I have to remove this one first. Copper. Sorry guys, I'm not prepared. So let's remove the cover. Hopefully it sticks. And that's the top. Everything here. Okay. I think I did it wrong, but let's just hope that it would stick. I know, I'm stupid. I hope there's no bubbles. Did I do it correctly? I think I did not. Okay. Oh my god. Anyways. So squeegee. Oh, there's so much bubble. It's too much. Okay. I think the location of the screen protector is fine, but there's too much bubbles. I think I removed the sticker early. I'm supposed to be massaging it first before I remove the sticker, but unfortunately I removed the sticker. I'm so stupid. And now I think, how would I be able to remove those ones in the middle? How? How? Anyways, let's do that later. But right now, let's appreciate first how the iPhone looks like. Okay, here's the box again, and here's the iPhone. In person, it kind of looks like a shiny orange, but I think this one is much more comfortable to hold to compared to the 16 Pro Max. Let's compare the screen size. It's definitely the same. Definitely the same. Definitely the same. But okay, let me give my opinion about Apple going back to aluminum instead of staying with titanium or stainless steel. Okay, I understand that the aluminum, going back to aluminum, has a purpose for heat dissipation and for that vapor chamber to work properly. But let's be honest, guys, the look of the 16 Pro Max is much more premium. It looks more expensive, and it kind of is worth of. It kind of looks like worth. I don't know. It is. It feels expensive on the hand. You know what I mean? It kind of feels that what you paid for. You know what I mean? Sorry for my English, but yeah. So going back to aluminum kind of gave me the feeling of not premium, and with this kind of design and color, it kind of looks rugged to me. It looks like it already has a case on it, to be honest. But hey, it's still a beautiful phone. It's just my opinion, but oh no, there's okay. But it'll do. It'll do. I mean, it probably would grow on me. You know what I mean? Some people would say that it's kind of like a Halloween phone, but it looks good. It feels premium when you hold it. But I really still like titanium instead of aluminum. But hey, they focused more on performance now instead of the appearance, you know, because it does make sense, because they've been making Apple Silicon chips yearly with yearly improvements, and it would be a waste if you would not maximize it, because with the old iPhone design, sometimes it heat throttles, so the full capacity, the full performance of the Apple Silicon is not reached, and you won't be able to experience it for long. With the aluminum, they say that you would be able to experience the full capacity of the Apple Silicon chip, because this one dissipates heat better with the vapor chamber inside, and the aluminum dissipating the heat all over the phone, you know. So it can dissipate. It can remove heat much more effectively with aluminum instead of the titanium steel. So that includes my unboxing. Again, this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and thank you for watching my video, and hopefully I get to make more videos with this phone. I'm not gonna promise because I've been telling that for a long time and yet I'm not making any videos, but hey, all I can promise is that every iPhone season and every time I get to buy a new iPhone, I'll get to make a video on it. Here we go. All right, so thank you and good night.